Evans Demathew, Uranue brother ya the late John Demathew, has finally spoken on the matter regarding the ongoing Demathew family issue. Now all this time he has been keeping quiet, hoping that the matter will be solved silently, amidst the family, matter could involve the public, but no, every day the story keeps escalating and getting worse. And so he has decided to finally speak out. He has personally invited the entire Demathew family for a meeting irekaholdo this Sunday so that they can all solve this problem hamwe once and for all. Na oho niacoka atheria ndeto itiganite. Wa mbere akiuga no one was chased out of John Demathew's house. Na wakere acoka uga Jane Demathew uranwe mwiritu wa John Demathew, she was not denied a grave to bury her son. Na oho niacoka uga ati rira maga solve all these issues, rira makahota gucokanirira ta family na maiguane, that is when they'll come out and give the entire truth of the matter, and that is when we'll know what the lies were, what was a lie and what was the entire truth. That is when they will speak as a whole family. We will get to know the truth. And this is what he shared. #Demathew family update. Sometimes when you keep quiet a lot for the sake of peace, you end up getting crucified, and lies are sweeter and spread faster than truth. I have been keeping quiet, thinking that this whole Demathew family problem will be solved silently, but in the process, lies are created every day. I have invited the entire Demathew family for a meeting that will be held on Sunday so that we can solve this problem once and for all. Just to make things clear, nobody was chased out of John Demathew's house. Second, Jane Demathew was not denied a grave to bury her son. Sometimes we act in the moment and act in bitterness, not wanting to follow the right procedures, and just find ourselves spitting words that will later spread hatred to other people just because you are angry. When we solve this, then we will inform you as a family what is the truth of the matter and what are the lies. If I speak, some of you will still not believe, but when the whole family speaks, you will get to know the truth. Barikiweni sana. Iyo ni ndumiriri Evans Demathew akorwo akirekereria na ugete this Sunday the entire family ya John Demathew ni gucokanirira and solve this matter once and for all, and the real truth will finally be out. As a family, they will bring out the entire truth. Na ndukariganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.